Hello lovies, grace and peace everybody. Thank you for tuning into this video, and today we are making our gorgeous delicious beef mixed with peppers and some carrots. I hope you're going to love this combo. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's free. Also in the description box below I will put down the ingredients that I used for this beef and veggie combo plus the verse of the day. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Thank you so much, and watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let's get straight into the video. Into your pan or a frying pan, whatever it is that you're going to be using, you're going to add enough amount of oil, then your pre-boiled beef, and then you're going to be mixing it around and let it just simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Actually fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to be adding your ginger and garlic herbal paste, 1 teaspoon, and then you'll go ahead and add in just a tiny bit of sugar. Now if you want to measure, that would be a teaspoon of brown sugar. Then you're going to be mixing everything around and let it fry. The brown sugar actually helps with color and makes the dish very delicious. After 2 to 3 minutes, you go ahead and add in your spices, and the list of the spices I have kept them in the description box below. Please make sure you click into the description box so that you may know the ingredients I actually used for this dish. Once you add in your spices, make sure that your heat is medium to low so that you do not burn your spices, because once you burn them, the dish becomes bitter. Once you mix everything for at least a minute, then you'll add in all your veggies. As you can see, I added my carrots, my bell pepper, I used yellow, red, green, and my onions, and I'm going to be stirring everything around and let it wilt down for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll go ahead and add in our beef stock so that the veggies can wilt down for at least 5 minutes. Then after that, we'll add our last ingredients. After 5 minutes, we are going to be adding our oyster sauce. Then we'll mix everything around just to let the oyster sauce cover all the beef and the veggies. And then we are going to add our coriander and our onions. Now I love to add my onions at the end so that we can get that crunch. If you love onions, then this is the best way to show your onions or to make them the star of the show in your dish. Lastly, we are going to add our lemon juice so that we can have that tangy, a little bit of tanginess into our dish. And after this, your beef is actually ready, and you can serve this beef with chips, you can serve this beef with rice, you can eat it with ugali, whatever it is that you want to have this beef with, you can have it with. This beef recipe, it's very quick and very easy to make, but let me tell you, the taste is just out of this world. Thank you so much if you have watched this video from the beginning to the end. Thank you. Do not forget to like this video, hit that bell for the notifications. Do not forget to subscribe, it's free. Please make sure that you watch all my other videos. I'm actually salivating from just doing a voiceover on this video. This beef was just out of this world. Thank you so much, lovies. Thank you so much. Please comment down below, let me know if you're going to be making this recipe, and if you have tried it, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Until next time, grace and peace, and bye bye, lovies.